This is an official realm-wide compliance bulletin. Effective May 1st, 2026 at 0000 Greenwich Mean Time, all Realm of the Mad God accounts will be subject to the revised Terms of Service Enforcement Protocol. Under the new policy, any account displaying dissident behavior, expressing unauthorized thoughts, questioning established norms, or displaying superhuman abilities will be immediately classified as banned on Inject. There will be no appeal. There will be no warning. All suspicious behavior will be treated as a confession. The previous EU enforcement loophole, commonly known as the 2-week vacation, has been permanently removed. Players attempting to invoke regional protections defenses will no longer receive temporary account suspension tourism. Instead, affected players will skip the traditional 2-week vacation and proceed directly to permanent account termination. Players are advised to prepare accordingly. Refrain from joining questionable parties or invites. Ignore and report Nexus spam bots and unsolicited messages. Keep your guild informed and your account secure. Failure to comply may result in permanent account termination, social exile, and indefinite administrative review under enhanced enforcement protocols. This alert applies to all servers, including but not limited to US East, US East 2, US West, EU West, EU North, Asia, Australia, and whatever server Arrows is in. All servers are compliance zones. This has been a Realm Security Emergency Alert. Banned means permanent. Remain calm. Remain legitimate.